In case you don't know it, this is treaty oak. It is huge. It's so big I could bring the drone under here. Maybe I should bring the drone under. Did you guys stir the bees up?
No, we're trying not to, actually, yeah. We're trying not to stir them up, yeah.
No.
I think they must have sensed some danger or something and just came out, but yeah, I was just telling her that, yeah.
We just amazed to see. I saw always see it on TV, but just to see it like with honeybees and
Oh my God, this is a hell of a tree, man.
Yeah. If you want to see it good, climb on up there.
No,
No, thank
we're
you.
not going there.
I'm gonna listen what that people what the sign say. Don't climb the tree.
Yeah.
No.
She don't see it that bad. And this guy was trying to move the tree. That's a big, maybe he's trying to just spin it. That's the root ball. That guy's still trying to move that limb. Oh, the boardwalk dead ends. This limb, it grew down and touched and grew into itself. Two became one there also. I think I'm gonna stop the video and take some pictures.